Hello everyone, Rachel here with McWane Science Center, and welcome to today's episode of SciSparks. In this episode, we're talking about something really weird. This paperclip. Now, this might look like an ordinary paperclip, and sure enough, it clips your paper, plus it bends like a normal paperclip. But this paperclip holds the secret. Don't believe me? Watch what happens when we heat it up. Ready? Look closely. Wow, it bent right back into a paperclip. Okay, so what's going on here? Well, clearly, this is no ordinary paperclip. Whereas most paperclips are made of galvanized steel, this one is made of nitinol. Nitinol is a little different than other types of metal. When it's bent, the atomic structure rearranges to accommodate the shape. The change is reversible because nitinol's atoms don't permanently slip past each other when it bends. Instead, they shift between two stable arrangements. That means heating gives the atoms enough energy to return to their original arrangement. This is why nitinol is sometimes called memory metal. It remembers any shape we program it to, whether that's straight, or even this paperclip. And here's the thing, nitinol does more than just look cool. Scientists are always coming up with new applications, like medical tools, airplane parts, and even artificial muscles. Watch, here I have a nitinol spring attached to a weight. Right now, it's all spread out. But earlier, I programmed this spring to be coiled up tight. That means all I need to do is heat it up, and up it goes. Thanks for watching today's episode of SciSparks. If you enjoyed it, let us know by leaving us a like. And to catch new episodes as soon as they're released, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.